Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to cancel your Evernote subscription. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to evernote.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your main dashboard where you can access all your notes and account settings. Now, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your username displayed there. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Account Info. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your Evernote account, including your subscription details. Once you're on the Account Info page, look at the left sidebar. You'll notice several menu options listed there. Click on Billing to access your subscription and payment information. This section contains everything related to your current plan, payment methods, and billing history. Now, I don't have any active subscriptions at the moment, but I'll walk you through the exact steps you'll need to follow. On the billing page, scroll down to the very bottom below the billing history section. This is where Evernote displays your current subscription details and management options. You should see a button that says Cancel Subscription. Click on it to begin the cancellation process. However, if you don't immediately see your subscription information or the Cancel Subscription button, there's another way to access it. In the left panel, you'll find an option that says Manage Plan. Click on this option to view your current subscription details in a different layout. From there, navigate to your active subscription. Once you've located it, you'll see the Cancel Subscription button. Click on it to proceed with canceling your Evernote subscription. The system will likely ask you to confirm your decision and may present you with alternative options or reasons to stay, but you can simply proceed with the cancellation if that's what you want to do. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to cancel your Evernote subscription through their website. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.